for bear, snuggled in bed. C is for cat with a curious stare. D is for dog who loves fresh air. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for hippo who laughs out loud. I is for igloo, icy and white. J is for jelly that wiggles just right. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging in trees. N is for nest with birds and bees. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin dressed in white. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle slow but right. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin with gentle refrain. W is for whale with a splashy tail. X is for Zylgone with a rainbow scale. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to spare. Let's sing again from A to Z. Learning letters is fun with me.